it's Didadu. Let's learn together.
Hi, welcome to the safari. Do you remember my name, Didadu? Are you ready to count and help animals? Let's start. Do you know who we are going to meet first? It's a lion. He has a big mane, but he looks lonely. Let's give him a ball. Here you go. Now the lion is happy. One lion, one! That was fun. Now, who has a very long neck? Look, 2 giraffes. They are hungry. Let's help them reach the leaves. Munch, munch. 1, 2, 2 giraffes. Do you want to guess who we're going to meet? I have a hint. They have long, long noses. 3 elephants. They need a bath. I have buckets of water. Splash, splash, splash. 1, 2, 3. 3 elephants. Wow, that was fun. And now who are we going to visit? And how many animals do you think they will be? Oh, look, 4 monkeys. They love jumping and eating bananas. Let's count how many monkeys we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 happy monkeys. We're going to meet the last animals for today. Can you guess who? They're colorful with wings. Colorful parrots. They need sticks to build a nest. Can you count how many parrots we have here? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beautiful birds. We did it! Thank you! We helped 5 friends and counted to 5. See you next time on DIDADUTV. Bye-bye!
Hi, it's Didadu.
See you soon!
Let's learn together.